Hi, I'm Dr. Flowers, and welcome to Flowers Healing Arts and CKG.
We're in Montclair Center, and I opened my wellness center, Flowers Healing Arts and CKG, in this area because it's a great location, great people. They respond really very well to what we're doing.
I'd like to take a moment to tell you about the approach that we take with people, our medical clinical philosophy. We basically do family practice with a very large component of integrative medicine. I have a master's degree in Chinese medicine, including herbology and acupuncture. I have a background in Ayurveda and a background in homeopathy also. So in addition to the conventional medical diagnostics, we integrate these other approaches into the care of the patient so that there's not just one philosophy that's applied to the care of the patient. We do special testing also for people with involved health problems, stool analysis, delayed allergy testing. We do genetic testing, we do hormonal testing, we do metabolic testing to make sure we can get as much information in our database about the patient and the patient's condition so that we can make our best thrust at getting a comprehensive treatment plan going for the patient.
There's so many interesting and upscale things to find in Montclair. Huge variety of restaurants, stores, shops, clothiers, wellness centers, and alternative healing practices such as mine.
Once we gather the database, then our approach is primarily directed toward the patient. The next step is to review the database with the patient so that the patient understands what the findings were and what we think we ought to do, what the patient thinks we ought to do, and what the patient is willing to accept. If the patient then is interested in our approach or some combined approach between ourselves and the patient, then we develop a program, a regimen for the patient, nutritionals, herbals, low-dose homeopathics. And in addition, perhaps acupuncture regimen, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, low-level laser therapy. There are a number of different options, breast thermography, to help support the diagnostic findings and the treatment regimen so the patient comes out with the most optimal outcome in terms of the clinical medical help that they're attempting to find in our location. We're putting together a group of like-minded practitioners. We're looking for an Ayurvedic physician, clinically experienced. We have a structural integration person coming on board, but we could always use another. We're looking for a person who does primarily acupuncture. We certainly would like someone who focuses on reflexology. We're trying to reach out to a biobiology type of community practitioner to help people with the physical environment in which they find themselves getting ill. And that's our vision. That's what we are building. And we're currently seeing patients, and if you have an interest, we'd be happy to have you come in. For more information, check our website at flowersmd.net.